Chancellor, I present Grammy-nominated artist and the King of Lovers Rock, Mr. Hugh Beresford Hammond, Order of Jamaica.
By the authority vested in me by the Council and Senate of the University of the West Indies, I confer upon you the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa of this university. Congratulations, Dr. Hammond.
Started out when I was about 11. And father never liked it. Mother backed me. And she helped me to run from country, come to town. Real story. So I started out there, boxing over there, and boxing everywhere. Until I could find a place of my own. Anyways, long story cut short. I was inspired by Alton Ellis, Stevie Wonder, Sam Cooke, Otis Redding, and folks like that. Remember the songs used to make you those when love sang. We dance all night. Yeah. Sing it just the same. Hop, hop.